This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cutlery, specifically these Moderna cutlery sets. And you have 3 different color options, and they're all the same 7¼ inch on the cutlery, which comes wrapped in a lovely, nice white disposable napkin and tied with ribbon. So we have the silver here, which comes with the silver utensils, the black ribbon, which comes with the black utensils, and the polka dot, which has a clear set of utensils. So each of these comes with a fork, knife, and spoon. They're pre-rolled and tied with that adorable little ribbon that gives them just that extra little special touch and makes them really nice for using at events. Now, you can buy the sets or you can actually buy the individual pieces. So these are really going to be fantastic for events, especially when you're doing maybe multiple courses and you want to put these out either at a place setting or next to the buffet. And then potentially you're having other things like apps, desserts, other foods maybe later in the evening, and you might need things like extra forks, knives, or spoons that you can then add on and order in the quantities that you want, which is always a plus. They're pre-rolled, which makes them really quick and convenient, especially if you're putting them on display next to a place setting or at the end of a buffet. And they're disposable, which means they're as easy to clean up after as they are to use. And the plastic utensils are recyclable, which is always a plus. So they're a great look for events, and they're great to use at home even. So if you're planning a party, a picnic, having a celebration, these are a nice little touch, and they're an easy way to order your cutlery because it's already set up for you and just ready to go on display. They're also great for things like cafes or fast casual restaurants to put out next to buffets. They just add that little extra special touch, whether it's something like a takeout or a to-go order.